Hey everyone, are you having trouble with your Soundcore Anker 2 speaker? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix Soundcore Anker 2 so you can get back to enjoying your tunes. Whether you're facing Bluetooth issues or sound problems, we've got some simple and effective solutions for you. Step 1. Reset your Soundcore Anker 2. The first thing to try when troubleshooting your Soundcore Anker 2 is a reset. To do this, turn on your speaker by pressing the power button. Once it's on, press and hold both the power and volume up buttons simultaneously for about 5 to 7 seconds. This forces the speaker to reset itself. After the reset, try reconnecting it to your device to see if the problem is resolved. Step 2. Check Bluetooth connectivity. Bluetooth connectivity issues are quite common but easy to resolve. First, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device and that it's within range. On your device, navigate to the Bluetooth settings and find the list of paired devices. If the Soundcore Anker 2 appears, try unpairing and then repairing the speaker. Make sure there aren't too many other devices crowding the Bluetooth space. Step 3. Update firmware. Keeping the firmware up to date can resolve many issues. To update the Soundcore Anker 2, you'll need the Soundcore app, available on both iOS and Android devices. Open the app, pair your speaker if it's not already connected, and check for any available firmware updates. Follow the on-screen instructions to update, ensuring you don't interrupt the process by turning off the speaker or your device. Step 4. Inspect for physical damage. Physical wear and tear can also cause issues with your speaker. Examine the Soundcore Anker 2 for signs of physical damage, such as cracks, dents, or foreign objects lodged in ports. Also, check the charging port and buttons to ensure they're functioning correctly. Gently clean any debris using a soft, dry brush or compressed air, taking care not to cause additional damage. Step 5. Contact customer service. If you've tried all the steps above and your Soundcore Anker 2 is still not working, it might be time to reach out for professional help. Contact Anker customer service for further assistance. They can provide more in-depth troubleshooting tips and, if necessary, guide you through the warranty or repair process. And there you have it, folks. Simple solutions to get your Soundcore Anker 2 back in tip-top shape. From resetting your device to checking for firmware updates and inspecting for physical damage, these steps can address the most common issues. Always prioritize following the correct procedures to maintain your device's longevity. If all else fails, Anker's customer support is there to help. Enjoy your music, and thanks for watching.